Hello everyone, my name is Elizabeth. Welcome to my space. Today we are making Ewa Agoyin Sauce. Yes, so I'll be introducing you to my ingredient. That is ball pepper, the dehydrated one. It's called Tatashe in Nigeria. That is chili pepper, and I have two large medium-sized onions, and I'll be adding my seasoning and salt, and also palm oil, which is very important to use to make this sauce. Later on in the video you'll see that I added ginger to my ingredients. Yeah, so how I prep is I boil water. Initially I'll pick some branches that are dried from the pepper. I will separate them, the one I can, not totally everything. Then I will add hot water to my pepper, my dry peppers, and cover it up to soften it a little bit. So I'm adding my hot water to it right now. Then I'll cover it up and prep my onions. When I'm done with the onion, I would wash that's what I'm doing right now. I'm going to wash the pepper, and I'll still be using very hot water to, kind of, you can see the steam. I'm using hot water to clean it up. I'll be cleaning it like 2 or 3 times. I'll still use hot water. So that's why I'm using that wooden spoon to, toss it back and forth and to get it cleaned. And I would love to say big welcome to all my new subscribers. I really appreciate you. I hope you have watched my other videos. Please drop a comment if you're a new subscriber so I can say hi to you and welcome you to the space. And also I will appreciate you to watch my other videos, recommend my other videos by sharing it with other people, with family and friends. Please always comment, always like. I have a lot of views but not subscribers, so I want you, as you watch my video, to please subscribe, share my video, like it, and comment down below. Thank you. And a little bit background story about this pepper sauce. It is called Agoyin pepper or Agoyin sauce. These Agoyin are tribes from Benin Republic and I think the Togo, but I know for sure that the origin of this sauce is the Agoyin people, and the Agoyin people are in Benin Republic. I don't know if the Agoyin people are in Togo, but this sauce is mainly originated from Benin Republic, and Togo in West Africa. So we imbibed it in Nigeria. Is a staple in Nigeria. We love it in Nigeria. Nigerian people love this sauce so much, love the way they cook the beans, and it has become a part of us in Nigeria. I so much love these beans, especially the sauce. It's so yummy. Let me give you a challenge. Just go ahead, try it, then come back in the comment section and tell me if you enjoyed it or not. All you just need to do is you know, just cook your beans like you will not add anything to your beans, just your beans and your salt, you know, and cook it to be very, very soft, not too watery, not too thick. And you just serve it, your beans, and put the sauce on it, and you will love it. You can eat this with bread, with some agege bread, especially with bread. You can eat it with yam. You can boil yam and, you know, serve it with the beans and the sauce. You can fry plantain on it. You know, there's just any way you eat your regular beans, that's the way you can eat this too. I'm adding my ginger. I'm ready to, you know, blend I didn't add any water. If you notice, I didn't add any water to my pepper, but if your blender needs help with a little bit of water, go ahead and add the water to it. But mind you, the more water you add to your pepper, the longer you will have to cook your sauce, because the water has to be completely out of the way. You know, it has to be out of the way. So this is it. I am enjoying this blending period. So you put your palm oil on the pot and you slice your onions. Apart from the onions that you saw that I blend with, I still have to fry my onions. Then you fry your onions to be almost getting burnt, like very, very dark brown, before you add it. Ooh, I love the sauce. Those red peppers, I love it. So as I was saying, you let your your onions to be very dark brown, like what you are saying right now. Then you add your peppers. You can see that I don't have a lot of water in my sauce. Though at the end of the day, because the pepper is so thick, I have a lot at the bottom of my blender, so I added a little bit of water, very little, and I kind of, so that I can get all the peppers at the bottom of my blender. I don't like to waste anything, so I added it to the pepper. And you have to be by the side of this sauce, because you need to keep tossing it back and forth, like stirring it, because if you don't, it's gonna get burnt, and you don't want it to get burnt. You just want it to fry. Yes, you just want it to be very, very dry, and you fry it. Yes, you can see the sauce is seriously frying. I had to use wooden spoon so that you know I can really take care of the bottom of the pot so that it won't get burnt. Then you can see I reduced the flame to the barest minimum. Like I think I put it on 3. It will take time, but your sauce will not be getting burnt, you know. Yeah, my sauce is coming together. Just give this a try, you know. There's no harm in trying a new thing. And it's very easy to make. You don't need to be worried. It's very easy to make. Very easy to make. Yeah, you can see from this point it's getting very dark. That is what you need. So I still need it to be a little bit more. So I still need some more time. It's not yet done. Yeah, it's not yet done. See what I'm saying? You need to be on top of it at every point in time. When you leave it for about 2, 3, 5 minutes, you need to go back and just stir it, just to make sure it's not burning, so that your agoyin sauce will not be bitter, So just that's all you need to keep an eye on it. Yes, that is the word. Keep an eye on it. At this point, I will say a very big thank you to all my viewers. Thank you, my subscribers, for watching, for subscribing, for commenting, for liking, for sharing my videos. If you have not subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel. I'll be bringing you more and more videos on cooking, on showing you where I get some things, and showing you some kitchen gadgets that I use and where I buy them from. I will so much appreciate if you comment down below if you have anything you want me to prepare, make a video on. Please do. I will be so much delighted to do that. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye. So I'll leave you to enjoy the music and just see the result of the outcome of the sauce. Oh my god. And at this point, oh my god, the smell in your house. Oh god, the smell in the house. Oh my god. Don't forget to light your candles, because this sauce, the smell can linger for a very long time. Thank you. Have a great one. I'm here again. That bread you're looking at, that bread is hot. Very hot bread. Agege bread. I somewhere close to my house they make agege bread, so I always go there and get the hot one. so yummy with your beans.